working hands. Best apples in all Washington, sweat and toil make the land. Crimson leaves dance in daylight, trees so heavy bowed with gold. Autumn whispers call us closer, stories of the labor told. Hidden acres, hidden treasure, harvest time, a wild endeavor. Fruit so sweet, can't measure. Hidden
Not every apple on the tree ripens, but what we're gonna do, since we're early on in the season, is we're gonna look for the reddest on it and then turn the bottom. Any bird pecks or anything like that, this looks like a really nice apple.
Put it in and turn it very, very gently and feed it to the sheep.
hard-earned bounties, all we're after. Life here ain't just what it seems. Feeding dirt and faith.
Don't try to break the stem. That'd be hard, and it would probably pop the stem of the stem. Nice and easy. It takes very little effort at all.
All together, sing the timeless harvest song. Hidden acres, hidden treasure, harvest time, a wild endeavor. Fruit so sweet, can't measure. Hidden acres last forever.
We got a whole crew of kids.
Seasons, laughter, fields of shimmer red and green. Hard-earned bounties, all we're after. Life's here ain't just what it seems. Hidden acres, hidden treasure, harvest time, a wild endeavor. Fruit so sweet, can't measure. Hidden acres last forever. Hidden acres last forever.